My name is Alyonka Larionov, and I'm a life coach and mindfulness teacher. So as a life coach, my job is to guide you back to you. It took me a long time to feel comfortable in my own skin and my own being. I suffered from an eating disorder for 10 years that nearly took my life. The way that I got comfortable with myself was to get to know myself. I love this saying, tell your story and tell it boldly. The way that I optimize my life and live smart is having mindfulness techniques. One technique that I do every day is meditate. The second way is journaling. The third way is connecting with nature. And lastly, movement is so important. And what I mean by movement is gentle, mindful movement. So a smart move for me is making the move. So make that phone call, send that text, tell that person you love them, take that job, take that trip with your friends. Your smart move is making the move now.